Cool Kicks YouTube channel, still out in NorCal. Set up this Nike outlet. I think it's at the Great Mall. The Great Mall out in Milpitas? Is that what the city's called? The 52nd different Nike outlet that I visited for the channel. I think in 11 different states. Let's go. Pretty decent sized store. And of course, I got 20% off the back wall. First thing I was like, hey, do they have a heat wall? Do they have a heat wall? They got a little bit of a heat wall. Kind of sad I didn't pick these up. I'm gonna really regret not grabbing these. Like poor man's Alma Manier 3s. I am a fan of those. Got Dunks. Be able to get these for 20 off. Not too bad, not too bad. A lot of this stuff, they're not hard to find nowadays though. Especially at a discount. A lot of the Nike outlets have been having a lot of stuff for 20% off lately. Is this reduced? No, because some of them have them reduced 180 here. And I do like these. This is nice, like the colorway. The material's not too bad. You know, this ain't bad, this ain't bad. And I got a smaller one right here. All right, let's see if we can find any gems on the back wall where you get that 20 off. I haven't seen too many outlets like this. So the regular aisle's right here, and then this whole aisle right here is clearance. And then it continues on the back wall. Interesting. Starting with the size 10, I saw SB boxes. I got all excited. They're the BRSBs going for 50 and 60. Clearance section. This little aisle right here is hella packed. Hella packed. 65 for the Metcon 8. 90 for the Sabrinas right here. Palm slides. These are size 11. 50. Trainers right here. Regular price, I guess. Sizing on the back wall. Not really organized well at all. Got some wind flows. What the hell am I looking at these for? Air Max 97s. These are refurb going for 140. What the hell's going on? GT Cut 3s. These are up to $2 now. All-Star Weekend colorway. Man, I can't believe these are up to 200 now. Just make them a signature shoe for somebody, too. 37s. I think these are the breads. These are 9.5. Yeah, these are really going for retail, or did they not tag these? I'm so confused. Got some Nike by Use right here. These look really nice. I'm gonna have to grab one of these eventually. Invincible Run Flyknit 3s, Nike by You, 150 for these. These are what size? 10.5. And this one's interesting because look, it has the 3D things from the acronym Blazers, but Pegasus Turbo Nice Nature is 100 for these. These are size 11. Turbo Green colorway. Is that Turbo Green? Is that what we call it? I don't know. The trainers right here. And these are down to 90. These are 10.5. Barely any size 9s other than these Air Max 97s. Yeah, they're going for 140. Prices are definitely interesting here. 9.5, 120 for these. Infinity Run 4s. Pegasus 40s for 100. Jordan 8 Golf right here. The Cherry Golf Lows. What did I say, Jordan 8? Jordan 12 Cherry Golf Lows right here. Yeah, and these are going for $180. I think this spot's like Ontario Mills, man. Just way overpriced because it's an outlet mall. Maybe in a bougier area, maybe. I don't know. GT Cut 2s right here. And yeah, these are $120. These are size 9. Acronym Blazers right here. These are size 5. I don't know why those are there. Forces right here go for 100. 8.5 Air Force One. These are like utilities. These are going for $80. Blazers right here. $90. Got jumbo Blazers. These are supposedly a premium. Who knows the price? What are these right here? What the hell? Free Trainer 3s, the MMWs. Got Velcro. They were all Velcroed together. These look goofy. These just look goofy. I don't know. But yeah, $260, normally $325. What the hell? These are size 5. Moving over to the bigger sizes. You got some Air Max 1s right here. 160. The full 160. I've not really seen that colorway. Got like a greenish hue to it. Okay. More GT Cut 3s, 130. That's a little more reasonable. Size 12. These are interesting. Nike by Use. These are pretty wild. Some Dunk highs right here. I'm not really feeling that colorway. You tried, buddy. You tried Nishchith? Nishchith? What the hell? That's tough to say. But yeah, 110 for those. Full 190 for the Invincible Run Flying at 3s right here. These are at an 11. Size 13 Jordan 1 mids. Pretty dope colorway. I've never seen this one. This is an SE too, so got some nice materials on it. Yeah, that's really nice. I've never seen these. Oh, these are bad. $150 for these. These ain't bad. Jordan 1 low right here, 125, 11.5. Got a little reminder saying, hey, 20% off the back wall. See some extended size pricing on the size 13s right here. Force 1 mids for 115. Zagama trails right here down to 50, size 12.5. So it seems like certain models, like ones that have been sitting here for a cool minute, because these 14s, Max R2s are down to 70, but no extended size pricing. Zoom 92s right here in an interesting box. Jordan 1 center courts right here, 135 size 12. 130 for the GT cut GT jump 2s, my bad, 130. This is a nice colorway though. Price is just way up and down here. More up than down. Infinity Run Flying at 3s, $80. Got these huge mother lovers right here, $100, size 17. These are down to 100. Not bad. These are all size 17. These are 18. 100 for those. I guess Nike hasn't been sending that much apparel to the outlets because just no clearance sales whatsoever. Yeah, man, 65 for those. Golf slacks right here, 30, 31. That's not bad. It's a size 42 though. Tech fleece right here. This is a quadruple XL. No discounts whatsoever. Wow. That was something on clearance with 0% discount like these as well. Interesting find right here. ACGs, 135 for this hoodie right here. Like super soft, but just so expensive. 115 for these. Damn, is everything just full price today? Thermafit pullover, or yeah, $70. Golden State Warriors, Curry with, oh, Jordan Poole with the number 3. I don't know all these full numbers. $120. Nigeria jersey right here. Double XL, $70 for that one. Is this an authentic jersey? Looks like it. Authentic jersey right here. 2 bills, 0 discounts. And then finally right here, 50% off. Niners NFC Championship. Damn, we don't want no NFC Championship stuff. Damn, dude. Man, this is painful. Painful, doggies. But yeah, 85 and 50% off. Yeah, man. Dang, doing some shopping around Northern California, man. This is rough, dude, man. Looking, getting flashbacks and shit, man. Of the Niners playing like. All right, let's check out the aisles first. Yeah, we need to check out the aisles, then we go to the women's. I think we're seeing a lot of the same stuff in the aisle, so we'll make it quick. Cosmic Unity 3s, 2017 Hyperdunk lows, Unity 2s, Zion 2s. I haven't seen this colorway in a cool minute. 75 for those. Got 2s right here for 100. Of course, we got plenty of Zoom Freaks, SB Alley-Oops. Third colorway right there. What's that? Mystic Green. Kukunis. Haven't seen these at the outlets in forever. Blazers. Blazer mids. Another one of the jumbos. Then 2 different colorways right here. Got some Presto mids with the zipper on the side. 2017s. Got Vapor Max 2023 Flyknits. These must have just got here because they're full retail price, $210. Redcon 8s. Yeah, this is a decent colorway right here. This is what? Cargo khaki. Oh, Sequoia, that's that green. See if they brought anything else out to this little heat wall. Looks like the same. Checking the women's section. Nike by Use. These are men's 10, women's 11 out. These ain't bad. A little bit of green, a little bit of gray. That hint of, was that Volt right there? These ain't bad at all, yo. They want that full 160. That's what's bad. Was it 160 or 180 or something? They want a lot for those. Sabrina's right here. These are men's 10 as well. Dunk 85s down here for $70. These are 14.5, size 13 men's. You don't see that too often in the women's. Size 10.5 women's. Got these interesting things right here with a lot of canvas on them. $60. 60 freaking dollars. Wow. Air Max 90s right here. Some denim ones with that aged midsole. I think they got better stuff in the women's right now. What the hell? These are $100, dude. These are size 11 women, size 9.5 men's. Air Max 90s right here. Black with the nylon toe box. Size 11, 130, full 130. 75 for the Invincible Run. Flying at 3, size 9.5 women's. $100 for the Jordan 2s. 10.5. Got the Dunks right here. Dunk 120. Size 10, 8.5 men's, 115. Jordan 1 lows, $80 for Jordan 1 lows. Remember, you do get that extra 20% off, so these like $65, dude. Not bad. Not bad, that's what's up. Even on mediocre trips, you can still find stuff dope. And it's always like crappy shoes that fall down. Nobody wants you, man. Yeah, but these are the Air Force One Wilds, and has that midsole, like suede, like a fake suede or some sort of material on the midsole right here. Definitely interesting. That uppers like a suede as well, kind of interesting. $100 for those. 7.5 got some Jordan 1 mids with that desert camo, looking dope. 135 though, kind of high. All right, we're starting to see these cheaper. 75, especially with the discount. These are dope, dude. These are dope. So comfy. Moving on to the aisles, do got these bad boys right here. Mostly smaller sizes do have a size 10 right here, but mostly smaller sizes. And for these, I think they have up to size 9 right here. And that's good because MSRP was $225. At Alma Mater, they charge like $25 for shipping and another like tax in California. So some of us paid like $275 for those, man. Damn, we got ripped off. Got some Dunks right here. These are the premium MFers. Air Max 2017s. I thought this was a weird colorway. Air Forces. Got some mids. Then got a whole aisle of Forces and Blazers. These are nice, dude. Nubuck right there. Some of the platforms that people aren't too into. And then got all kinds of Blazer mids right here at varying prices. Got some Jordan 3s right here. Got these up to what size? 9.5 women's. I would show you guys more, but there's really not that much. Did check men's apparel, women's apparel. I don't try to check too often because I don't want to be all creepy walking around the camera, seeing what's up. Like, I just don't want to be the creepy guy. So, got plenty coming. I'm gonna try to make 2 or 3 videos just from this mall. There's a ton of stores here. Kind of reminds me of the Ontario Mills Mall out in Southern California, but yeah, I got a ton of stuff. Make sure you help a boy up. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Subscribe, click that notification bell. I got plenty videos coming. Man, I'm traveling for you guys. Well, I'm traveling for work, but I'm making it worth it for you guys as well, so I can check out as many spots as I can. Got plenty more coming, you guys. See you guys next one.